and welcome to the first video in my new flat. I feel like I'm shouting at you because I'm so excited. I've definitely got my energy up in this video. It was 9 AM when I started and I never start videos that early. I'm like a 3 PM filming girl, but the sun comes into my bedrooms at like 12 o'clock, so I only have the mornings to film now, which is crazy to me. It's like so different from my old flat. But yeah, I could have sorted these cushions out in the background. No, I filmed the whole video with them like that. Ugh, half a job. So in this video, I'm going to be trying loads of products. I used this cheeky highlighter. You guys need to stay tuned to see what it is. But I also used a lot of MAC lipsticks. I think I've tried 6 on for you guys, all different colours, 6 matte ones. And then I put a lip gloss over, which is their version of a lip gloss, to make them more wearable for summer. So if you want to see my top 6 picks of lipsticks, obviously I've flashed them over the screen, but you can see those at the end as well. I love all of them. I've loved filming this video. I'm so happy to be back. But yeah, if you would like to see me get ready, carry on watching. It's 31 degrees today where I live. And obviously we don't have aircon in England, so it's 31 degrees in my flat, if not more. I haven't actually looked today, which means I am a sweaty mess. I've just put moisturiser on and I've just had to stand in front of the fan to try and get it to soak into my skin, but it really doesn't look like it's worked that well, so I'm just gonna go straight in with foundation. And today I'm using the MAC Studio Fix. If you guys have watched me for a couple of years, you will know that this is all I used to use. I haven't used it in absolutely ages though, but this was like literally my favourite foundation for years. It's such a pretty foundation, it just blends in so well, makes your skin look flawless. But I'm now just gonna go to concealer. You're being very loud. I'm using this Maybelline Eraser Eye one, and this is in the pink shade. I just like to put this on before normal concealer, just to get rid of the darkness in my inner corners. And then I'm moving on to the matching concealer. I have no idea what shade I use. Everything's rubbed off because I use it so much. Let me know if you like this setup, by the way. This is the very first video that I've filmed in my new flat, so I don't know what it's gonna look like. I'm using my lights as well, which I haven't done for about 2 years. Like since I lived in the London flat, I used to use them there, but I haven't used them since, and I feel like they make you look extra shiny. But let me know if you like it. I feel like it makes the quality a lot more crisp. I am going to set my under eyes into place with powder. I'm also going to powder my shine away because I'm so shiny, especially like I said with these lights, they make you so shiny. I have a massive issue with this part of my head. If you guys watch my vlogs, you will see that when my head isn't sweaty, it's shiny. It's like so shiny without makeup on, but it's not sweaty. I just have a really shiny forehead. So when I put makeup on, it's still shiny. Look, you can see. And like nothing sets it into place. So if you guys know anything for that, can you let me know? I would rather not have the shiniest forehead in town. Okay, on to bronzer. I'm gonna take this one from the Rodial palette, this shade here. It's just their bronzer shade. And I want to be super bronzed because it's summer. There we go, I'm nice and bronzed up now. Bronzer's one of my favourite makeup sets because it just makes your face like less flat. It's so good. I haven't actually addressed my hair. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you're gonna be so confused. I basically, obviously have dyed my hair back darker. I am kind of liking it, kind of not. It went a lot darker than I wanted. If I bring it all to the front. I do think dark hair suits me the best, but I don't think I suit black hair, and this is virgin on black, so after a few washes, it will be absolutely fine, but right now I'm a bit like, oh, what have I done? Ooh, onto highlighter. I've never tried this before and I'm so excited. This is by MAC and it's called their Hyper Glam Glow highlighters, and they've got 3 in there, which is so exciting. I think I'm gonna try the middle one. I always get so excited to try a new highlighter. I'm like, what's it gonna be like? Holy moly, that is incredible. Wow. Oh my gosh. I look like a glowy goddess. I'm gonna use some of that in my inner corners as well after I've done eyes, so let's move on to eyes quickly. I'm just gonna prime them with this Marc Jacobs eye primer. I always use this. This is the first time I've worn makeup in 2 weeks and I'm so excited about it. I had conjunctivitis and really bad hay fever and I wasn't allowed to have my contacts in, so I couldn't wear makeup. So this is like really exciting to me. That's why I'm being so quiet, because I'm like, oh, I'm loving doing my makeup today. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just go through my crease with a bronzer. This is on quite a big brush. I'm doing a really simple eye today because I really want the lips to pop. And I'm also going to put a bit of that under my eye. And then what I like to do nowadays, because I always go wrong when it comes to eyeliner, is I like to just take some sort of shade on an eyebrow brush and kind of map out where I'm going to do my eyeliner, because this is way easier to just blend away. Boom. I can't get over how glowy I look. That highlighter is incredible. But that is it for eyeshadow. I'm now just going to go in with an eyeliner pen and just do me a quick little cheeky eyeliner. Haven't done this in so long, I feel like I'm going to muck it up. Positive vibes. One down, one to go. This is the one I can do so easily, but when it comes to this eye, I struggle so hard. I think it's like a hand thing, because I am right-handed. I can do a lot with my left hand though. I can write with my left hand, but when it comes to stuff like this, I don't even know how to hold it. Oh my gosh. I can breathe. That is as good as it's gonna get, which is not fabulous, but I'm not skilled in the eyeliner department. Some people can just go and it's done. So I always do my makeup in kind of a weird way. I'm just gonna do my brows. I just spent an embarrassing amount of time on my brows and I still feel like they don't look good, but hey ho. I'm hoping that this fixes it all. This is a Glossier Boy Brow. I love this stuff, but this is a new one, which means it's got a lot of product on it. So this could either go really well or really bad. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Back to my eyes. I'm gonna pop a little bit of mascara on and some lashes, and I will be back. We're now on to the fun bit of the video, which is lipsticks. I've actually got a few to try on, which I'm so excited about. I love MAC lipsticks. If you've watched my videos for a couple of years, I think I've deleted the videos now because I was so embarrassed of like how young and silly I was, which I'm sad about now because I would love to watch them. But I used to do MAC lipstick collections. I would do like my top 5 nudes, top 5 reds, so many videos about MAC lipsticks, and I tried them all on. I had like 100 lipsticks at one point. It was amazing. But I'm going to show you a few of my favourites, and these are all mattes. So I'm going to show you what they look like matte, but I'm also going to put some gloss over them after to create like a high shine look for summer. That is super in this season, to have glossy lips. So I'm actually going to start off with the darkest, just so I can end on my favourite nude. So this shade is called Antique Velvet, and the lip liner I'm using is called Current. I look crazy right now, but I thought I would tell you my biggest tip with lip liner. I warm it up on the back of my hand before I use it. It just makes it a lot easier to use. Like, it's already warmed up, so then it goes on so nicely. I'm so excited to put this lipstick on. I've been missing winter so bad recently, especially because it's so hot here. So this is just gonna remind me of how much I love winter. Wow. So this is what Antique Velvet looks like. I love this so much. I think it's so cool, especially for the winter time. So maybe going into winter, you guys can pick this one up. I'm actually gonna pop this lip gloss over it. It's called Cultured. Doesn't look like it would work. It's a lot lighter, but let's give this a go. This looks so badass now. I love it. Let me know what you guys think of this colour. I think it's so cool. I also might tie my hair up. I feel like with makeup looks like this, I really like my hair up. That is so much better. I really like my hair up when I'm wearing lipsticks. I just think it makes you focus on the lipstick. But yeah, let's switch to a different colour. I am back. I've taken that off and just reapplied the liner, lip liner, there we go. I'm now just gonna use this shade in the shade Sin. This looks very similar to the other if we put them together, but they're actually very different, I feel like. I haven't ever tried this one on before though, so we'll see. If it's the same, I'll be like, oh. So this is pretty much just a little bit lighter version of the other one. I hope you can tell the difference. I might do a little side by side. They definitely are different colours though. And I really like this one. It went on super duper matte. So this will stay all day. I'm not gonna put a gloss over this one because I did with the last one, and they're kind of similar shades, so you've already seen what a dark lip with a gloss looks like. So I'm just gonna move on to the next colour, which is very exciting. I'm taking Heroine Lip Liner, which is a bright purple. This is so exciting. My friend Gemma, who's got bright purple hair, she said that this is her favourite colour, so I'm so excited to try it on. I'm taking the lipstick in the shade Heroine as well. It just looks like Barney purple. I love you. This one is so cool. This has to be one of my favourites. I would wear this every day. I think it looks amazing with dark hair, but I could imagine this. Like I said, Gemma has bright purple hair. I could imagine this being the perfect shade if you've got bright purple hair. Would look so cool, but I'm gonna top it off with Heroine Lip Gloss as well. Make it shiny. Oh! This is so cool. I love this colour. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. I'm now going to do a red. This is my all-time favourite MAC red. A complete staple, and the nude that I'm going to use is my staple as well. The rest of these are just fun colours that I just want to try. This is the legendary Ruby Woo. It's doing the thing where I warm it up again. So excited. I haven't worn a red in so long. And I'm obviously taking the matching Ruby Woo lipstick. This is literally one of my faves ever. It is the most matte lipstick I've ever come across. Ah! I love this. If you want a red lipstick that is gonna stay on all day long, this one is your guy. It does not budge. I used to wear this every single day to college, and I used to love it. It was like my signature lipstick. Makes your teeth look so white. But I'm now going to top it with Ruby Woo Lip Gloss. I've never done this before, so this should look really cool. So this is what it looks like with the gloss on top. How pretty is this though? Especially with this top, I look really nautical. This lipstick is perfect for summer. Moving on to a pink, and then I've got a nude. I don't actually have a darker pink lip liner to go with, so I'm just gonna go with one called Soar. It won't match the lipstick, but I'm just simply gonna use it to literally outline my lips. So this lipstick is called Flat Out Fabulous. This one is so pretty, especially for summer. I'm gonna wear this so much. I love me a dark pink. Beautiful. But now I'm gonna put Candy Yum Yum lip gloss on. Look at this colour. Ah. Once again, this is an absolutely gorgeous shade for summer. I love how it goes with my nails. Like they clash, but in a nice way. Obsessed with this one. I've now got one more lipstick to show you, and it's a nude, and it is the cult classic Velvet Teddy. This lipstick looks different on everybody, I swear. Depending on your skin tone, if you've got like more yellow skin, pink skin, it looks literally different on everybody. So I would recommend you pick it up and try it and see what it looks like on you. It's like a chameleon lipstick. For the lip liner, I'm taking a shade called Dervish. Look how juicy my lips have gone just from trying these lipsticks on. If you want to look like you've got big lips, just put loads of lipstick on and take it back off again. Oh, this is a nice fresh one. I have another one and it's been used so much. It's like a little tiny nib now. Look at this gorgeous shade. This has to be one of the nicest nudes ever. And it literally suits every skin tone. Like I said, it just looks so different on everyone, but looks amazing. I personally love it, and I'm gonna top it with Lust Lip Gloss. I love a glossy nude. This is why I'm finishing with it, because I'm filming a video after this and I wanted a glossy nude on. It's like my favorite. Also, these smell amazing. They smell like dessert. Look how gorgeous this is. This is my favorite of them all. I feel like a nude lip is my signature, but how gorgeous were all of these lipsticks. MAC have so many more lipsticks. They come in so many different varieties as well. Obviously there's mattes, but there's cream sheens, which are already shiny. There's satins, which are like a mix of cream sheen and matte. There's amplified, which is super duper bright. There are so many different ones. I'm so passionate about them because I've used them for years, and they will always remain my favorite lipstick brand. Down to the makeup, obviously the foundation is a love of mine. I used it for years. The highlighter is banging. Look at that. I love the bronzer that I used from Rodial. I've never used that before, and I used this set to set my face as well, these ones up here, and it worked really well, so I like that a lot. This wasn't really a first impression makeup look, it was kind of a mix. I used some things that I already loved, some things that I knew, but if you would like me to do a full first impression makeup look, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think of my new little setup, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check MAC out, they have some incredible makeup, and subscribe to me if you'd like to see more of my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!